Okay, I really liked that last painting we did. It had a silver background and then a black swipe on top. It was beautiful. It was simple and it was high contrast and it was dynamic. And so we're gonna just recreate it, maybe with a horizontal landscape orientation this time, just for a little variety. And the swipe. Now I'm just going to let it develop. I'm liking the more expressive nature of the quick swipe with me lifting up before it reaches the edge. And I really like this high contrast between the silver and the black. They seem to lace very nicely as well together. I'm digging it. I think I'm gonna let that be. Pretty happy with it. We'll see how it looks when it dries.